Alright, hello again everyone. I'm here with another tutorial. This one I will try to make as brief as possible. So I'll just cover the three things that you need to know to get started with Zbrush. So first is, how do you edit an object? So when you first open Zbrush, you encounter a list of objects that you can open up and play with. You have projects, tools, and whatnot, but I'm not going to go into those. I'm just going to grab a simple sphere from the list here, or anything really. Just keep this quick. I'm just going to do a gear, whatever. So what you do is you just drag and drop onto the canvas. And you think, okay, yeah, now I'll just draw and try to edit it. And then all of a sudden, oh no, I'm drawing more. So you have to actually do is you have to hit the edit button before you can actually start sculpting onto your object. Not only that, you have to make sure that it is a polymesh. So you have to click on make polymesh 3D in order to actually edit the object. And then you can start sculpting on it and rotating it and whatnot. And if you did make a mistake and fill this canvas with a bunch of stuff, you can just get rid of that with a quick Control N. Alright, next thing that you need to know are the brushes. Where are the brushes? How to use them? So the brushes are up on the top left. You can have a whole array of different brushes that you can use. I usually just start with the basic ones, regular standard brush or clay buildup. Clay buildup's a lot of fun. So you just click and drag. If you click Alt-click, it'll do the opposite, so it'll push instead of pull. Alright, so the last thing to cover is, how do you save the freaking file? The first time I opened ZBrush, I thought, okay, well, let's go to the document, save a file. But in the documents, saving doesn't actually save your object. It just saves a picture of all the objects on your scene. It saves the canvas as a 2.5D image, which is not exactly helpful. What you actually have to do is go into the Tool menu, which can also be found at the top over here. So, yes, Tool. And you do Save As. So you have to save your tool, not the document. Anyway, that's the three things that I think you need to know in order to get started with ZBrush. They were the things that were the biggest hurdle for me to get into the program and kind of figure things out. From there, you can kind of just figure out one tool at a time and just add it. And yeah, I hope this helped. Until next time.